Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Count on Me by Bruno Mars on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is C major. The chords are very easy, but what I'm going to show you how to do is to play an alternating bass pattern using the low note of the chord and then the high part of the chord. So we'll be alternating between the bass note and the high part of the chord on each chord. Let's start by just looking at the chords and how we're going to strum them. The first chord we'll go to will be a C major chord, and that's a traditional form, and we'll strum this way, starting with the A string with the thumb and use the index finger to just stroke the strings like this, very gently. That's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, we'll go to an E minor chord formed this way, and we'll strum that one from the low E string to the high E string, just like that. We'll go to an A minor chord. We'll strum that chord from the A string upward from the high E, like that. We'll go to our G chord, strum it from the low E upward from the high E. We'll need an F chord. And we can do this one of two ways. If you can hold this down, this high E string here, down, we'll strum it this way. And that's strumming from the D string upward from the high E. Now some of my students tell me that they have a hard time holding down that high E string at fret 1. So if you want to do it an easier way, we can just hold it down like we're playing an F major 7 chord, like that, leave the high E open, and play from the D string upward from the B string. We still get an F chord, okay? And you can use this finger to mute that high E and just go. That's an easier way to play that chord. And you've got a pure F chord right there, just by strumming those 3 strings. We'll need to play a D minor chord, played this way. For that one, we'll strum from the D string upward from the high E. And those are the 5 chords we're going to need. So now let's get to the song. For the intro of the song, we'll strum a C chord, and we'll strum that C chord for 8 beats, like this. Then we'll start into the verses. For the verses, we'll start with a C chord, play it for 4 beats, an E minor chord, 4 beats, A minor and G for 2 beats each, F for 4 beats. Let's do that again.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself...
Next we'll go to the pre-chorus and we'll play D minor for 4 beats. E minor, 4 beats. F, 4 beats. And G for 4 beats. Again.
Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can...
Now for the chorus, we'll play exactly what we played in the verses, with the exception for the 3rd time through the progression, we'll change on the end. We'll play the F and the G for 2 beats, and we'll play it this way.
supposed to do, oh yeah.
The last thing we need to learn is the bridge. And for the bridge, we'll go to D minor, E minor, A minor, G, D minor, E minor, F, and then strum G. Well, my friends, that's my way of playing Count on Me by Bruno Mars on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.